Esika okomana nute mapata ekwea is always greener. That's our version of saying the other side. Hi everyone, I'm Joe and this is Talk Lingala with Joe Part 1. Talk Lingala with Joe is a show I have designed to help and assist anyone who wants to learn or improve his Lingala in a very simple but fun way. So without further ado, let's crack on it. In part 1, I thought to give you 4 Lingala idioms that you may have heard or have listened to in some Congolese music obviously, but never got the sense of them. So here's your chance not only to grasp the meaning, but maybe put them in your daily conversation use. The first one that I'm gonna give you is Soki mwana alingi asimba moto, tikaye asimba mokolo akozika akoyeba. Soki mwana alingi asimba moto, tikaye asimba mokolo akozika akoyeba. Well, that's just our version of saying sometimes the consequences correct better than the advice. Second one that I'm gonna give you is Biliaki ngai bikoki. Biliaki ngai bikoki. If you hear someone saying that in Lingala, that means, wow, he's cooked. Oh, I'm cooked. I'm finished. You know them situation that you get caught in and you don't see any way out. Biliaki ngai bikoki. Well, the third one that I'm gonna give you is Epai to esika okomana nute mapata ekwea. Esika okomana nute mapata ekwea. That's our version of saying the grass is always greener on the other side. The grass is always greener on the other side. So watch out, man. The fourth one that I'm gonna give you is Zoba. Zoba wazolakisa sanza kasi yazotala musapi. Zoba wazolakisa sanza kasi yazotala musapi. Well, that's another way of saying that idiots, they don't look at the bigger picture, innit? In a situation like, or in a matter, they don't know how to look or focus on the bigger picture. So here are 4 idioms for you guys in Lingala. I hope you learned something through this show of mine, Talk Lingala with Joe. And if you like it, please subscribe and write us a comment. That would be really much appreciated. Thanks very much. Love.